Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 17th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we are looking at the daily time frame chart of this market, and just recently we have this very nice movement to the upside towards the swing high at 62,678 euros. So where are we heading towards? It looks like the next target for bulls with this kind of a momentum is located at the level of 64,758. This is the swing high from the end of the July 2024, and it's really not that far away from the current market price. We got this technical support that was tested already 2 days ago, 59,651. This is the technical support on the Bitcoin to Euro, and we got one more technical support. It would used to be a double top, and this level is located at 57,911. One more, the last one, is located somewhere around the level of 4,828. We can even make a demand line here, demand zone here, without any problem. So it looks like the market wants to go higher, wants to test this swing high, of course, from the 29th of the July. Then the next target is the beginning of the 65,983 level from the June 2024. So it all looks very impressive right now. Let's find out how is the momentum doing. The RSI just hit 70 points, which means that this level here might be considered as extremely overbought, which means that Bitcoin to denominated in euro is now very expensive, and that's why we should see some kind of a pullback. Possibly we should see some kind of a pullback sooner or later. This pullback shouldn't go below the level of 59,624, because this is the next nearest technical support. Let's just find out what is going on in the terms of the moving averages. If we apply our moving averages, of course we are looking for the long-term moving averages here, 100 and 200. You can see that these moving averages are getting closer together. That's the first thing. The second thing is the market is already above the death cross indicator, the death cross moving average indicator, which means that possibly there might be another cross soon, if this kind of a momentum, if this kind of a market movement will last, of course, right? So we need some kind of a continuation of the upward movement for this market to produce another cross. This time it might be bullish cross. Now the last trend line, which might not be that let's say that easy to cross, nevertheless it's still here, and if we apply it somewhere here, so we got like a first touch, almost second touch, and third touch. Okay, so if we make it just a little bit thicker so anyone can see, now there you go. So this line is telling us that the price is not that far away from it, and any breakout above this trend line might expose the 64,758 euro level for a test, and even for a possible breakout. As you can see, the rally in the Bitcoin to Euro market is quite substantial, is quite strong, is quite dynamic, and since the low from this is the August 5th 2024, we already made, let me just take a look, we already made, I think it would be over 30%. Let's just take a look here. We already made 36, 37, almost 38%. Right, so it's not that bad. It looking very good, very good. The question is what the bulls will do when they hit the trend line, if ever. What will they do? How they will react? Whether they will break to the upside to test the technical resistance, or again they will reverse, as they done so many times times before. So please keep an eye on the trend line, keep an eye on the reaction of the market participants to the test of the trend line, if there will be any. Okay, and then of course we can see, we can have more data, more clues from the market what it wants to do next. For now, that's everything for me. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.